Well, finally getting this sawdust on. We've been watering for a week. Got the fertilizer down earlier this week. Now with the rains coming in this weekend, just gonna try to lock all this in from the wind. So just putting down a nice even coat. We'll go back through with a light watering. And then this evening when the rains start, should have everything all nice and protected. This lawn's gonna look real nice by the time summer hits. All right, getting a nice soak to this sawdust. Get all the way out there to the point. Really help this grass grow.